what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? You see how natural this looks? I feel like a brand new woman. New hair, who dis? I feel like Beyonce out this much. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I did. This is a wig, the very first wig I've ever owned. And I love it. So if you like what you see, be sure to stay tuned because I've got all the deets. So I was sent this 100% kinky, natural virgin hair from Luvme Hair. It's at 20 inches. Okay, look how I am able to comb through this, y'all. It is so soft. I'm loving it so far. So what I'm gonna do, honestly, this whole process is supposed to be really easy. So I'm looking forward to trying this out with you guys. I made some flax gel, put a little bit of hibiscus in it. You know, when we talk about protective styles and growing our hair, which is essential, a lot of people don't realize that everybody's hair grows. Your hair grows, okay? Your hair is growing a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch, maybe even more depending on what your regimen is, a month. Whether or not you're maintaining that length is really what's important. So what I would say with this particular style, you're gonna wanna just put it in a bun, a low bun, and see if you can go a whole week without touching your hair. As far as manipulation, of course you wanna do, oil your scalp if you can, or maybe spray some hair tea on it, on your scalp, or just on the hair itself. For me, the whole point of my flax gel and the hibiscus is for the health of my hair. It's got lots of vitamins in it, and so when I put this on, already I'm caring for the hair. I don't use regular gel with all the chemicals in it. So, but anyways, as you can see, I'm putting my hair in a bun, low bun, nice and easy. I'm twisting the hair. And we're just gonna go ahead and pop the wig on. So, let's talk about the construction of the wig. You've got some prong thingies here, all around the perimeter of the wig. So what I'm gonna start off by doing is simply measuring the middle of the hair, and I'm gonna put it about right here. So not all the way at the very top, but also not too far back either, because I don't want my hair to be too far back. Then I'm gonna take the back, put it underneath my bun, and insert a prong. Then I'm gonna use my fingers to come through to the sides and go ahead and clip that. Slip that right in there. Okay, now I'm gonna take the perimeter of the wig and I'm gonna find those little Velcro pieces. And I'm gonna simply Velcro those pieces together. And we're done. Voila! Nice and easy. Look at this. And I didn't even have to lay my edges. Of course, if you want to lay your edges, lay your edges. As you can see, I'm not going anywhere. I don't need to lay my edges. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. And as you can see, there's no hump. You can't tell that I have a bun in at all. Oh my goodness. Blow dryer time. 100% virgin hair. Yes, baby. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty and I haven't even really did anything. This was easy, right? And I'm on my way to the grocery store, on a date. Anywhere I need to go, I'm there, baby. What do you think? The wig is on, the wig is on, the wig is on. That easy. Okay, so now that I put a little bit of makeup on, I want to probably get her a little bit more straight. So just want to show you really quick, do a couple passes, how easy this is. This is crazy. I'm like so impressed. This is virgin hair, 100% from one person. I don't really know why that's important, but I saw it on the website, so figured I'd repeat that to you folks. I love her! Look at this! I look like Beyonce out this mug. Oh my goodness, what do you guys think? So pretty, I'm in love. I look good. Okay guys, so let's just talk about this. A lot of people don't realize that retention, length retention is the key to hair growth. I am on an Ayurvedic journey, which means that there's certain things that I use on my hair in order to grow it out. I'll tell you all about it in a different video, but what I'm trying to do is get to tailbone length hair. And my hair grows super, super fast. However, whenever I go to the salon, you know, because I pick my hair a lot, I'm always trying to detangle and get the knots out of the ends of my hair. She's literally cutting off all of the growth that I have for the month. And I realized that I don't want to do that anymore. I need to just put my hair away and start protecting it so that I don't have to like see all my inches on the floor when she goes to, you know, trimming it and making it look good. And so I said, you know what, I've got to get me a wig. So I did some research. It took me weeks to figure out what kind of wig I want because a lot of these lace fronts be looking real lace-like and I couldn't commit. But then I thought about a headband wig. Say, what if I could have my hair just like a small, simple bun, or if I could do twist outs, something where I can, you know, pop it on, pop it off, pop it on, pop it off, you know, still oil my scalp, still spritz down my scalp with hair teas and do my hair masks and not have to worry about manipulating my hair so much that it still has a lot of breakage. So, headband wig. That's when the thought came into my mind. And I found Luvme Hair, and I absolutely love this simply because it's so natural looking. Do you see, I mean, I did lay my edges with a little bit of my flax gel, but do you see how natural it looks? This looks like it came from a black woman. I love it, okay? It's, you know, I can add heat to it, I can curl it, I can crimp it, I can do braid outs with it. I'm so excited to be able to bring you guys different styles in this wig. And it has no tension. No tension! Do you know how exciting that is? I don't have to worry about like taking a Tylenol to get my hair done. Yes! It took 2 minutes. You guys saw me pop it on. And I just don't think it gets any better than this. Be sure to check out Luvme Hair. I do have a code for you guys to save some coin down below, as well as the link directly to the site. It comes in a couple of different lengths, so you don't have to worry about getting this really long hair. Let's see. You guys can do shorter if you want, or you guys can do 20 inches. It's totally up to you. Look how thick she is. She's gonna keep you warm in the winter, baby. Don't worry about it, okay? So, like I said, use code DREAM and as well as the link down below. Save some money. Go ahead and use my link. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I have so much more coming for you. We're gonna do some DIYs. I'm gonna have so many more tips for you folks for growing your hair out. I look forward to it. Thank you so much for watching. And you guys stay safe out there. Bye.